What happened to Venus inside? I'm going to put a little bit of this in here. I'm also not be literally going to I'm going to. These are oil of oregano. Please don't get confused. What kind you need? This is kind you need 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I went over Vanessa. So, again, give this a good shake. This is a glass. I think I'm starting using glass water bottles. It has a little timestamp set several beans. Yeah, so now we got water. We are energized. And we are going to undo our grocery order real quick. I have time. Grab that. I'm going to switch stuff away real quick. Hello. I am showing you some groceries that I bought on a vegetarian diet. Okay, starting here, we have some beverages. These are always good, honestly. It's just easy to just have in your cabinets or in a little designated snack area. It's just nice to have these on hand. It's organic. They come in different flavors. Water jugs when you need to refill the kettle or refill your bottle. Just having gallons like that's good. So I have those big old giant ones. And some mineral water. This is really good. I'm drinking this lately when I can't afford bigger groceries. So that's that. Let me find this way. This on. And let me go back and correct myself how much I spent. Okay. Let me just check real quick. This is $419 in groceries on Amazon Fresh. I'm going to tell you what I did good, what I did bad, what I want to be doing, where I am in my journey, what's convenient, what's inconvenient to me so far. I've been a vegetarian for about 1 year and I think almost 8 months. Shopping through Prime is very, I want to say just convenient because of the way they package things. I rarely have any messed up orders. Everything's fresh, everything's cold. I remember like a few years back there was issues with like temperature and stuff like that, but I have noticed they have changed that over the years and they do go above and beyond to make sure your stuff is packed, it's cold, it's ready for you. So that explains why I shop on there as opposed to other services. I have tried other services, they do work good and they're probably more affordable. So with every service comes its advantages. So if I'm shopping with Prime, it's because I want the affordability. I don't want to stress about my order getting messed up. I want it to be delivered like in a timely manner like that day or the next day. And I don't want to have to go to the grocery store and I'm just trying to delegate tasks so I won't have to do so much so I can get more stuff done. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through kind of what I bought. So overall, my observation was, I need to eat fresh ingredients, which means trying to eat fresh fruits and veggies as opposed to, snack bars and fruit bars and like, I don't know, just stuff that's not fresh and healthy for you. And then with the protein, mind you, I know this is still processed. So when you become vegetarian, vegan, you are still trying to figure out what works for you, what's the most convenient. So right now I still am eating a majority of the plant-based items that are convenient. These are the protein ones that I got. This is really good. These are like the chicken nuggets from Impossible. It's just convenient. I can zap them in the air fryer and it's ready to go and eat. No stress. I can just warm this up and scale it with some rice and veggies. And there's not a bunch of stuff. There's not a bunch of stuff in there. It is high in protein and that's the sodium level. That's the calories. So just being mindful that these things are awesome if you're starting off and it's convenient. And if you want to make everything fresh, I'd say my observation is, of course you're supposed to be buying like the big mushrooms and learning how to cook stuff like fresh. That's what I mean when I say like from the root, like off the tree. Like you want to learn how. That's the goal. The goal is to try to get stuff made that's like everything from scratch. But the reality is, some items are convenient, and mind you, this is me paying for items that are convenient as opposed to making it myself and sticking to simple meals. Like if you were just to make a pot of lentils, for example, that should be very affordable, and a pot of lentils will last you like a week. So if you're a very, very low budget vegetarian vegan, there are ways to make that happen. So when they say, it's more expensive to buy meat and it's so cheap to be a vegetarian and vegan, that's partially true. It depends on how you are working with your budget. And if you're buying items that are convenient items, what do I mean by that? I mean stuff that's like snacks. Snacks are gonna cha-ching, for a number of years, cha-ching, 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 because it's gonna add up on you because it's made for you, for your convenience. It's already made for you. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. So if you see everything cha-ching, 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 everything, this is convenient. Ooh, I grabbed this. Look, it's already made. Ooh, I got nuts, I got yogurt, like I'm good to go. Put that in my lunch bag. As opposed to buying ingredients and like making yourself. Although I have to remind you, if you're getting shelf ingredients like spices and flour and stuff, that stuff costs too. So I'm telling you, no matter what route you go, there's some price to pay. But you can do your best. That's all you can do. Nobody's perfect. So I'm just letting you know. Okay, so let's start with this side. Here I have bought me some coconut milk. I usually drink a lot of oat milk. I wanted to switch it up. And so I got this toasted coconut milk. It's 45 calories, so this is pretty good to me. And then here is the plain unsweetened for smoothies. So this is good to stock up on when you have some protein shakes available. I'll show you one that I bought. So the protein shakes that I have right now is this one. It's plant powered. It's organic. I want to say it's less than $20. It might be $30. I might be wrong. But this is the one that when I can afford it, I do try to get. Just because of convenience, because all the vitamins in there and stuff like that. See all the vitamins? Good for you. So I get that one. Another thing I noticed about making protein drinks is, I'll tell myself, I'm on a diet, right? I'm just gonna drink protein drinks for a whole week, but I find that to be unrealistic because I just get tired. When I'm tired, I want hot meals. Like my body just wants hot meals most of the time. Sometimes I don't want to drink like a protein, like have to make it. If it's pre-made, then that's another story. I will make my way over here to this shakes that I bought, but I didn't really buy a lot today. So anyhow, but these are good when you got the energy and you want to make yourself. And it's really quick. You just put this together with your protein drink or before you work out or after you work out. Simple stuff, right? Hydration, trying to get more coconut water because just looking out for yourself, the benefits and like how good it is for you. Like what's like real hydration for the body. Well, this is very expensive. They do have the ones in the can, lesser quality, but it's something healthy for you. You can look into. And then just trying to buy organic. So this is the organic options they have on Amazon Prime. There's a bag of apples. Usually the bag of items are a little like couple dollars less. And this one is some shiitake mushrooms already cut for you, so that's another convenient thing. Things like already cut for you. I just find it easier when I'm just trying to get out the house or be about my business. This is already diced for you: onions, cilantro, fruit. These halos are really convenient. And just pop you some of them. I got grapefruit. This is super awesome for. Oh, my bad. But these are super awesome for you. Grapefruit. So I'm not really into tart tastes, but I know the benefits. It's just really good for you all around. So I try to eat more grapefruit. There are avocados here, organic, that's a healthy fat. I like to get back to making salads, so these are things I bought for salads. And you know what I do with my salads when I make a fruit salad? I put some mandarins, strawberries, and I crunch up these instead of croutons. I put these peanut butter. These Ritz peanut. It's so good. These little Ritz crumbles in salad. I have to make one for you, but this is so good. And here is the salad spinner I bought. They do sell this on Amazon Fresh. I've been putting it off. I keep seeing people use this, and I'm like, I'm gonna use my hands. I'm gonna do what I always do because I need that for you know. But some items do make your life better. So I'm like, you know what? Get this dang on salad spinner. So I bought me one. Yes, I did. I sure did. Cereal for the convenience is organic, a little pricier, but it tastes so good. Just like it's so good, like Cinnamon Crunch. But it's 17 grams of whole grain. It's organic, honey. My bad. Okay. So this one is 150 calories, a little bit of fiber in there, a little sugar, a little bit of protein, less fat, a low amount of fat. So that's what I got. And you know that's where my cereal station is over there at the moment. So that's gonna go right over there, huh? And snacks. So snacks, I got the Bloom Chicken Pop. This is for low calorie days where I'm trying to cut carbs. And these ones, because I'm always wanting something sweet, so I'm just like trying to change it from chocolate all the time. Because chocolate is really good for you. But you know, there's all this stuff in the chocolate sometimes. And it's like, okay, man, I need chocolate break every once in a while before I get bloated with all them, what is it? What's in chocolate? Lead or something? All the nasty stuff that's be in there. So I got this one, sugar-free Jellos, because only 5 calories is something to curb your, sweet craving. But if you haven't told me sweet cravings, I'm not going to go into that. Please look into doing a cleanse, because that's what I have to do periodically. Because yeah, that's a whole other subject. Now, moving on. These potato puffs are so good. Less for evil. If you've seen the other video, I have the the cheddar ones. They're so good. This one is the Himalayan pink salt with organic coconut oil. Oh, did y'all try it yet? Did y'all try it? It's good. I was like, I'm going to explain stuff. I thought you guys are kind of might be doing similar things, but just in case you aren't, let me this is good too. I try to find stuff that chocolate, because you're gonna find out that I'm a chocolate monster. So I have to have some chocolate. Wow, don't be so grumpy, honey. So that's my chocolate fix because it has 1 gram of sugar in it. Try to find stuff with less sugar in it. These are the eggs. Have you tried these yet? Now the calories kind of high, but when you're trying to do like a glute day or something, and you don't have to feel, you just get some carbs in there. This one is vegan, so they make vegan pastry items. I have a beautiful bakery on Amazon. This is vegan, no dairy, no nuts, no eggs, no soy, no sesame. No kidding. They are so delicious. If you have kiddos, you can put that in a little bag, their little Ziploc goodie bag. That's really good. Of course, I'll be messing with Dave's Killer Bread. When I can't afford the Ezekiel bread, I always go back to Dave's Killer Bread. Some plant-based cream cheese, go with that. These were new. I just wanted to try the remix, the Too Good remix. I do occasionally eat the Too Good. I remember trying it. I was like, it's kind of like a little bit watery. But then I went back to it. I was like, yeah, I need to eat this and like less dairy. So here's the remix versions. They even have strawberry and dark chocolate. So you should try it. So that might like help with the wateriness. I don't even think it's watery now. But you can just put some extra stuff in there, soak up some stuff. And first opinion, this is the apple cinnamon mush. I haven't tried this. This is new. It's overnight oats. It looks like it's already made. So I actually thought this was gonna be dry and I have to do like the hot water thing. But this is already made apparently. It's called mush overnight oats. It's good. They do have these Too Good smoothies I'm starting to see now. It's very small, but I wanted to try it. It's about yay big. It's about yay big. But it's good for you. 3 grams of sugar. Lime juice, just in case you are one of those, like, you get tired, you're lazy, whatever the case may be. It's just easier for me to just pour this into some water instead of having to squeeze. I have cookie bites. I have the True Whip vegan. This is vegan. Whipped topping, plant-based. This is new. This is Bondivel. I'm never saying Bondivel. Plant-based. Guilty pleasure. Chocolate verified, gluten-free, and evil-free. And you're supposed to have it chilled. I think it's just like a pudding, but it's more fine, more rich, more chocolatey, higher quality than just plain pudding. And it definitely looks very thick, so I'll have to try that. I'm actually going to try to put this in a pastry puff. So we're going to try to go to that. But this is a ready-to-bake sheets. Again, I'll be trying to find stuff that's convenient. So this is already made. We know certain things that it might not be like, there's some stuff up in there, but it looks good. It's, it's easy. Let me not go into too much. I love my horchatas. This was nice seeing that they make a plant-based horchata, cinnamon, horchata, 18 grams of protein in there, and it's dairy-free. So there's no dairy in this one. And that's the brand. It looks good. Nice. This is really good for you if you're doing a cleanse and you just want to make sure your gut is healthy, honey. Put that in there. Put that in your salads. Butters. Sauce. Protein pasta. They make ones with lentils. They make ones with chickpeas. Deviled egg potato salad. Because I just can't live without some soul food stuffs. And I know, but it's good. It's yummy. And then 0 sugar yogurt. Now this one is lactose free. I believe this is dairy. Is it not? I think this one is dairy. So this might be a dairy thing. This one's just for like mixing to take care of my teeth, which I haven't been doing. But I need to do that. So this is a personal thing while I buy this. But if you do eat yogurt, this is really good. It got 0% milk fat. And then of course I do on occasion still eat eggs. I'm still eating eggs because every time I go out, it's like the only convenient item I can buy. It's hard. Like they might make me a scrambled something, honey. And they got eggs in it. And it's like, okay, so that's why I'm still eating eggs. But hopefully, I don't know. We'll find out if I transition out of that. But right now, I'm eating eggs. It don't do me no harm. For the time being, I have olive oil. Now, I did get an alternative to eggs, which is this. And I was like, oh, they make this. They're making everything now, honey. This is eggs from plants. Okay, already made for use. 50 grams of protein. 50 grams? Oh my god, I didn't know it was 50 grams of protein. But yeah, 50 grams of protein, honey. Just pop that in there. Make you like a little sandwich or something. Make you a little scrambled eggs and you can eat that a lot. And then I have the sausage to go with that. Plant-based. Put some kale in there. Frozen kale. I have been buying more frozen vegetables for the fact that it's easier for me and it doesn't perish. And I can just, for example, I'll warm it in the skillet before I cook any meat or whatever, plant-based meat. And it's easier for me for storage reasons and perishing reasons. So my life ain't like that set up. You have to find things that work for you. I have these. These are regular flour tortillas. If it was up to me, I'd get the expensive ones, gluten-free, yada yada. But these work just fine for me. And protein. This is in the can. It's organic garbanzo beans, and I make like a vegan tacos basically. It's really good. Pantry items. You gotta have the cayenne peppers. You gotta have that. You gotta have garlic. You gotta have all that good stuff. Honey is really affordable on there. Cinnamons. I am planning on trying to bake those. Like I said, I did try these whipped cream. I ain't not thinking about these whipped creams, but they look good. And I even got the Dolly Parton one. Oh, she just looks so cute, and she wearing pink. So how did I not get? Because you know how girls just get stuff because it looks cute, and that's why I got that. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because look how cute that is. Women out the Parton. So she's cute. So I had to get it. So that's what I did. I got powdered sugar and baking flour. Some good old necessities for the house. Essentials. And I'll run you through again. This is $400 in groceries. All of it was expensive. These are big old bottles. So what could I have done differently? And this one is very good. That little almond milk pudding, dairy free, no dairy free item, pretty good. Goddess dressing, cause you know you gotta be the goddess, you know. Cause that's what you is, honey. You gotta take care of yourself, right? Anyway, just on the inside, working on the outside. Ultimately, what could I have done differently? Well, there's a lot of convenient snacks here. I could have perhaps baked me a big old tray of chocolate brownies, made it myself, could have cut some money. What could I have done differently? I could have made the whole meal thing simpler. Like I could have just got some lentils and vegetable stock and just made a pot of lentils if I just really wanted to like budget. Some things weren't necessary, like the spices. I tend to get most of them organic or mix and match. I could have just got a regular brand of seasonings, or I went to the Dollar Tree to get seasonings. I could have got some regular flour. I could have cut out the coconut water and just, the lime water is good. Like if you could just get one healthy thing in there, good for you. But I sometimes do multiple things. So like lime water, girl, that's good enough. You didn't have to get the coconut. You could have got one thing of the but I tend to drink a lot of milk, oat milk, and coconut milk. And you didn't have to get this one. You didn't have to get the Honest Kids, but these are always rotating on sale. Anything, just make sure you get your water. You didn't have to get salad spanners, but you had to try this, and I don't think it was very. I'll have to go back and look at the price. I think it was $20. I'll fix that if it was more. You didn't have to get cereal. You could have got a big bag of cereal somewhere. You could have went to maybe the outlet or something. There's some things you could maybe the produce could have been a little cheaper some other place. Or maybe you didn't have to get organic if you can't afford it. Get the regular one. There's not pesticides and stuff. But wash it. You do what you can with the money you have. So, but because I shop out of getting things with the goal of it being convenient, this is my price. This is what I pay. That's what I'm paying. Because it is less stress, it's boop boop. I would put that together, it's already made. So my goal is to eventually transition out of those habits by creating space for myself where I have more time for myself and I can focus on upgrading my diet. But as of now, I do my very best and I just have to pay a higher fee. So again, this is a vegetarian diet. This is trying to be mostly plant-based. That's where I'm at right now. This is when I can afford to spend a little bit more money and noted that I can always do a little bit better and shop a little tighter. But this is where I'm at. This is the reality. This is the truth of how I would shop. Just trying to be more convenient, save some time. So this is where I'm at. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for... Yes, ma'am. That's where I'm at. Protection against chaos and lateness, honey. And temptation, because we want to stay on the right track. Right? Yes, ma'am. So then I have these little buckets from the Dollar Tree. Hello, Dollar Tree. But you got to find them when you find stuff. They don't always have... But, when you find something cute, get it. And I just put all this stuff in there like this. Why do you put these croutons and stuff? But, no, I'll put this on the shelf. So then I'll take this bucket, right? Because my storage space looks different from everybody. So you're just gotta find something that works for you. For me, I don't like to put stuff in my room. Sorry, I got some crap in there. So I just find something. So for me, I bought this little cart. This used to be the cart for dirty dishes. And then, it changes up during season. Now it's a cereal cart because we have counter space. And it keeps my produce and water. And it's in this cute little movie area. So I just swing it right here when I'm not using it. And then I can move it to the kitchen or whatever. So stuff with wheels, honey. I recommend it. Make your life so much easier. I'm telling you. Get some stuff with wheels. Meanwhile, your life is falling apart. That's the reality. You want everybody to know. No, don't forget. I almost left my little buddy in the bag. You gotta make sure you look through your bags. Yeah, I put all this tape on here to make it really strong. That way I keep my spicy spice. That's why I keep my spice. Oh, almost fell over. Gotta change these shoes. They get on my nerves. I swear. Oh, God. Oh, anyways. And that's where I keep my snacks. With the little Dollar Tree clips. Remember that? That's where I used to put them. Jesus. But these little fabric bins you can get anywhere. I'm some fabric bin. But you know what? Because it's cheap. You know that. Manifestations. Anyway, these things are cheap. But that's where I keep my snacks. Supposed to cook this for 6 to 7 minutes. Now this is what it's looking like. I've been cooking. I noticed my oven and everything from the top to the inside of the oven. It's taking time. Okay, this is cooking. That's pretty much done. So remove those, but I like my stuff to be cooked thoroughly, you know what I'm saying? This is not like meat though. I think this will come out better on like a little grill, you know what I mean? But it looks like it's all cooked all around, but I just like my stuff to be cooked thoroughly. Not worse than biting into something that's not done yet, so. But this is pretty much done. I'm moving on to the next thing. I already have this on there, so I'm thinking maybe I want to put some in here. I just dump some eggs in there. Let's try it. Maybe so much. I'll get some broccoli orders. Okay, ready? Okay. Testing. Let's see. I've never tried this before. It's really fun. I'm going to cut up some sausage and put that in here. Just like that. Okay, this is what she's looking like. I almost feel like this would be good if I had some potatoes made. I would fix up some potatoes up in there. It's looking kind of, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. It's bubbling like it's looking like an omelet. I don't know. Oh, it is giving me omelet vibes. Oh my goodness, should I put the sausage in there? Put the sausage in there real quick. Please don't fall sausage. I'm not gonna do that. I think it's already kind of done. Ooh, I want to burn. Ah! Okay. Oh, it's giving me omelet vibes. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it looks like it's working. Oh my gosh. I'm turning this down. I think this is done. Oh snap, you guys, it works. It's working. It's working. And it's kind of browning up too, because it's done. Oh, look at this. Put a little bit of seasonings. It's good. I think it's done. You should get you some avocados and some, I got the, day filler bread. So I got the Ezekiel bread, that's what I'm eating. And just fix up some bagels with some peppers. I know I have some Roman tomatoes in there. I'm feeling a little lazy. But, because I have to wash them and I need to make them for my salad. So maybe I'll do that later because I do need to wash that salad spinner. So, should I just get one tomato and put it on there? Please. Maybe we should do it anyways. I pushed it definitely. It just don't feel like it. Okay, I'm gonna wash one of these tomatoes. Okay, and there we are. I didn't cut it cute, but my knife is on the roll. I'm gonna eat this off this plate with my apron on floor. Yeah, I'm gonna see. Okay. That was that good right here, honey. This is my breakfast. I'm starting off early. I finished at 6:30. That's not too bad. Playing my little gospel, so I'm gonna eat something. Hopefully, have some energy today because look, I'm starting to be good. Got my napkins. And I'm gonna taste this just to see what it tastes like. I did put a little bit of spice on the plate, so I have to mix it in there. I forgot to put the spice when I was in the pan. Hopefully, it's mixed up well. But this is what she's looking like. Got some kale and some tomatoes and some little bit of green onions in there. It is giving me egg vibes. I'm gonna try this piece right here. See if it tastes good. Actually, yeah. Yes. Okay. With the sausage, I'm tasting. I put cayenne pepper on here, paprika, and garlic. I don't know where my onion powder is. I put some Himalayan salt in here. Girl, we forgot to pay. I paid for the food, but somebody got it. Every day. That's just food and this is next. This is tasting very good. What else I put in here? Yeah, I would put some onion if I could find my onion. Obviously, there's a little pepper on the bagels. I'm gonna try it on the bagel too. But I'm liking it. It tastes good. Yes. Yes, ma'am. I put this. I got a little too much on this bagel, but I'm gonna try it on the bagel. See how it tastes. Okay, good. Yes, ma'am. It both tastes good. Yes, ma'am. I recommend it. Go try it. It's good. Alright, oranges and a little fiber one donut. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna have a good breakfast. There. Lots of protein. You know how much protein? How much protein is in there? Protein, 5 grams of protein. And some potassium. Okay. 60 calories. So low calorie. Starting off good. No cholesterols. And then you got this shake to add on 18 grams of protein.